Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to code faster in VS Code with Emmet. If you are tired of writing a long HTML code again and again, this video is going to save you a lots of time. Today, I will show you how to code faster in VS Code using Emmet. So in this video, you will be able to write up a full HTML structure in seconds, not a minute. So let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly explain what is Emmet. So Emmet is a built-in tool in VS Code that helps you write HTML and CSS using shortcuts. First and most important shortcut, just type an exclamation mark and press the enter. You get the complete HTML structure. This saves a lot of time when you're starting a new projects. If you create any element, if I type a div and press the tab, Emmet create the simple div element. This is useful when you don't want to write the opening and closing tag manually. Now let's add a class. If I type dot container and press the enter, Emmet automatically create a div with class container. Same for ID. Type hash header and press the tab. This create a div with ID headers. Now let's talk about nesting element. If I write UL greater than li and press the enter, this create a UL with one li inside it. The greater than symbol means child element. What if you want to element at the same level? Use the plus symbol h1 plus p. Create a heading and paragraph side by side. Now this is a very powerful. If I type li asterisk 3, Emmet create the 3 list item instantly. Imagine how much time this saves. Even you can add a text inside the element. For example, P in curly braces hello. This create a paragraph with the text inside. Now let's add attribute. If I write input in bracket type equal to text name equal to fname, Emmet generate the input field with the type and name attribute. This is very useful for forms. Now this is perfect for a list. If I write li.item $3, Emmet automatically numbers the class names like item 1, item 2, item 3. Finally, for a dummy text, just type a lorem temp. Let's move to grouping and structure using Emmet. If I type UL greater than li asterisk 5 and press the tab, Emmet create the UL and 5 list item inside it automatically. Now let's build a complete page layout using Emmet. Div greater than inside the bracket, header greater than UL greater than li asterisk 2 greater than a plus inside the bracket section greater than div greater than p plus footer greater than p. First, we have a main div wrapper. Inside the div, we use grouping to create the 3 sections, header, section and footer. The header contains the list with 2 links. The section contains the div and inside that div we have a paragraph. Finally, the footer contains the paragraph. Normally, this would take up times, minutes, but Emmet create the clean HTML structure in seconds. Now let's see how Emmet work in CSS. If I type M and press that enter, Emmet expand it to margin. Now I can quickly and add a value like a 10px or anything I want. Same way P stand for padding, just type a P and press enter. Now this is very powerful. If I type W100 and press the enter, Emmet automatically convert it with 100px. If you can change the number to anything you want. Same logic applies to height with H100. If you use Flexbox a lot, typing df expand to display the flex. Now let's talk about position. If you type pose:(A) and press the enter, you may create the position absolute. You can also use pose R for relative and pose F for fixed. And then if I type TAC, Emmet gives me the text align center. If you practice this shortcut daily, you will automatically start writing HTML and CSS as a fast. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe for more web development tips.